Please help by subscribing this channel. It will motivate us to upload new videos. Covaxin. Covaxin, India's indigenous COVID-19 vaccine by Bharat Biotech, is developed in collaboration with the India Council of Medical Research, ICMR, National Institute of Virology, NIV. The inactivated vaccine is developed and manufactured in Bharat Biotech's BSL-3, Biosafety Level 3, high containment facility. The vaccine received DCGI approval for Phase 1 and 2 human clinical trials. What is vaccines? Vaccine is a substance used to stimulate the production of antibodies and provide immunity against several diseases by injecting a part of virus or killed virus. So that in future, if that virus entered into the body will be able to fight against the virus. Because the antibody is already present in the body. There are mainly 3 types of vaccines. 1. Live attenuated vaccine. 2. Inactivated vaccine. 3. Subunit vaccine. Live attenuated vaccine. In this type of vaccine, a small amount of virus is injected into the body. This virus is strong than long-lasting immune response. Just 1 or 2 doses of most live vaccine can give you a lifetime of protection against a virus and the disease it causes. Live vaccines are used to protect against measles, mumps, rubella, MMR combined vaccine, rotavirus, smallpox, chickenpox, yellow fever. Inactivated vaccine. In this vaccine, killed or inactivated virus is injected into the body. This vaccine is comparatively weaker than live vaccine because it is the type of injecting killed or inactivated virus. Inactivated vaccine are used to protect against 1. Hepatitis A, 2. Flu, 3. Polio, 4. Rabies. Subunit vaccine. In this vaccine, specific pieces of virus, like its protein, sugar, or capsid. Subunit vaccine are used to protect against Hib, Haemophilus influenzae type B, disease, hepatitis B, pneumococcal disease, meningococcal disease, shingles. Clinical trials. There are mainly 6 stages of approval in the clinical trials process. First stage, research stage. This stage is to learn the genetic factor of the drug and to learn the properties of drug. Second stage. In this stage, drug is injected to the laboratory animals such as chimpanzees and learn how it affects on it. Human clinical trials. Phase 1. In this phase, drug is injected in 100 to 1000 people for the test. This stage is to determine the effect of drug on human and also investigates the side effects that occur as dosage levels are increased. Phase 2. In this phase, 100 to 10,000 people of different categories such as people from different age groups are injected by the drugs. This phase is to study the efficacy of the drug. Phase 3. This phase involves randomized and blind testing in lakh of people. This phase is for understanding the effectiveness of the drug, the benefits, and the range of possible adverse reactions. Once phase 3 is complete, a pharmaceutical company can request FDA approval for marketing the drug. Phase 4. This phase is often called post-marketing surveillance trials, are conducted after a drug has been approved for consumer sale. Pharmaceutical companies have several objectives at this phase. 1. To compare a drug with other drugs already in the market. 2. To monitor a drug's long-term effectiveness and impact on a patient's quality of life. 3. To determine the cost-effectiveness of a drug therapy relative to other traditional and new therapies. That's all for today. Thank you for watching this video and please don't forget to subscribe the channel, so you won't miss any of my new videos.